Ever wanted to learn the secrets behind A/B testing in the DMs? Maybe you don't even know what A/B testing is. Well, in this video, I'm going to share exactly what A/B testing is, specifically within the context of direct messaging. Stay tuned. What's up, FlowChat connector? Sean back at you with another high-ticket tune-up. Hope you're doing really well. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this out to somebody who needs to get better at sales. And of course, if you find value in this, please subscribe to the channel. Currently, right now, I think there's only like 25% of the people that watch this video are actually subscribed to the channel. So would love if you could subscribe. With that said, let's dive into it. What are we talking about today? We're talking about A/B testing. Now, if you don't know what A/B testing is, I'm going to give you the very quick and simple version of exactly what A/B testing is, and then I'm going to show you the exact context of how to use it in the DMs. Well, what is it? A/B testing, the definition is A/B testing in the context of direct messaging, DMs, right? Refers to an experiment where you test two different versions of a message to see which one performs better in terms of engagement, response rate, open rates, et cetera, click-through rates, or any other desired metric that you may have in order to get the best outcome for what you're trying to accomplish. Determines the most effective content, tone, and structure for your DMs. Well, Sean, that's awesome. How on earth do you do this in the DMs? Very simply, I'm going to share an example with you. We have version A. I'm going to read it out so you know exactly what it says. Read it with me. So this is an initial outreach message in a cold market to get somebody to come and join your Facebook group. This is actually one that we tested live. So this is real example with real numbers that you can see. The message says this. So we send our first message, says, I think the business you're building is awesome and you'd be a great fit for our tribe of super connectors in a Facebook group. It's by invite only, and your profile fits the criteria. We share for free techniques we've used for the past 3 decades to close high-ticket deals and land over 150 million in sales. We also provide a sound strategy for prospecting and just launched a killer software tool that crushes in the DMs. You have to see it if you think it's a fit. Up for joining the group. Okay, very simple. Just here's a little bit of value. Here's the transformation you're going to get if and when you do the thing. And again, always ending with a question. So good first message. We start with a compliment. We share a little bit about what's in it for them. Again, it's why me, why you, why this, why now format. And then, of course, dropping a question at the end is going to be the right solution. So that one versus B. B says this, loving the energy you bring to your posts, first name. Thought it would be relevant to open a door for you to join our fam. Our Facebook group is brimming with killer chat closing tactics, high-level networking, and other hungry entrepreneurs. And we keep the tribe up to date on the freshest trends in the social message media arena. Interested in jumping in with us and grabbing some gold? Again, same thing, a little compliment, why you, why me, why this, why now, and then ending with a question. Very easy format. We talk about how to do that in other videos, but this is the 2 examples. So how on earth are we going to actually measure this? What is the outcome we want? This is an initial message. So the outcome we want is engagement, meaning we're going to stay focused on one metric. So when you split test, A/B split testing, you only want to choose one metric over a certain specific time period of days, and you test that one message. You're going to find a winner. When that winner is found, that becomes what we call your benchmark that you start testing against. So in this case, A was the winner from the previous split test messaging that we did. And then we ran this now same A message against a new B message, which you see here. What are the results? Well, our A message, in that 7-day period, we sent 312 initial messages. 32 of those people of the 312 actually responded and said, yeah, I would be up for joining your group. So that's a 9% success rate for engagement, right? So that's the number we're looking for. And then what we did is we swapped out the message and we sent message B to about the same amount of people. In fact, 330 people versus 312. But here's the results. Of the 330 that we sent the message to, 15% or 48 of those people said, heck yeah, I will join your group. So there's a very clear winner here is B. So again, what did we do here? We took a 7-day period. We tested one particular variable of engagement. We used 2 different messages in that window, and then we ran the play and looked at the data, and now we made a choice, okay? You're probably thinking like, well, Sean, those metrics are awesome. How on earth did you get those in your world? Well, we built FlowChat specifically for this. Again, not to be bashful about this, it is one of the most disruptive softwares in the social media messaging space. If you need a way to streamline your messages, look in the comments below, book a call with our team, come check it out and see if our platform is the right platform for you, because you can do things like this. You can have a big, long pipeline that's printed you tens of millions of dollars like we have. This is one particular pipeline that we run on Facebook to drive people into our group. We have a whole bunch of other things that do a lot of other cool things, but you can just see the numbers. We got 15% joining our group, 85% of them accepting that, 30% clicking the link, jumping in. Of those 30% that we start messaging, 93% of them say, hey, I want to jump on a call. And you can see that our close rates as a team is over 25%. So very quickly, I can show you exactly how effective our organic outreach play is with a snapshot. So if you have a team that's doing organic outreach for you, or you have inbound, again, if you're running ads and you're getting people to come into your DMs, you can measure the effectiveness of your messaging one step at a time, all in this tech. It is the only system on earth that I've ever seen that has a measurement and metrics tracking system the way that we built this thing. It is unique, it is custom, it is new, and it's an opportunity for you to take your business to the next level. So again, if you're interested in that, please make sure and look in the links below, book a call with our team, come check it out, because I know it's hyper valuable for a lot of people. With that said, this is the definition of A/B split testing. Again, there's a million other ways we could go deeper into this. You can split test things like color. You can split test things like using a name or not using a name, GIFs, images, sound bites, all kinds of different things. Our tech allows you to test and measure within the DM context. With that said, hopefully this one's been valuable for you. Again, it's a very quick overview of what A/B testing is and how to use it in the DMs. Hope that one was valuable. Make sure and smash that like button. Share this out to somebody else who needs to get better at this stuff. And of course, if you found value in this, please subscribe to the channel. With that said, I can't wait to see you next time. Ciao for now.